I think that the reason God doesn't always answer our prayers is obviously because what we're praying for is not God's will. God knows better than we do what will be best for us and what will be best for His providential plan for human history. And therefore, James promises that if we ask anything according to His will, He hears us. And if we know that He hears us in whatever we ask, then we have the requests made of Him. And therefore, we should always, I think, temper our prayers implicitly, if not explicitly, by saying, "Thy will be done." This was the way Jesus prayed Himself in the garden, facing the cross. He said, "Father, if it be possible, let this cup pass from me. Nevertheless, not my, but Thy will be done."